Nandito kami sa SM. Magdi-dinner kami kasama yung family ko. Hindi kami kasya dito sa mahabang lamesa. Nandito yung 4. Kaya pa? Ay, may hipon. Marcela. Kanya pa yung meron din doon, ayan din ginagalaw niya. Ito? Pwede na ba ito sa kanya? 4 years old plus to eh. Bili tayo ng buko shake uli guys na gustuhan ni Adam. So bumili ako ng malaking size.
Any branches? We have Ayala Manila Bay, Lucky Chinatown. Okay. And then coming soon we will open in SM North Edsa.
Melbourne.
I will ask the owner, sir.
Sure.
Gaganyan mo lang siya. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dito. Bigyan kita extra dito, ma'am.
Okay.
Pag mayupi mo siya.
Thank you.
Ganyan siya, ma'am. Para hindi siya masira. Tapos, ihulog mo lang siya dito.
Adam, enjoy na enjoy niya yung Taal Volcano. Ano?
Black house, see this guy, he was like he's going to throw up. This guy, look. And his wife, look, his wife.
Oh my god! Yeah, I can see.
Look, he's going to throw up.
Andito kami sa Red Ribbon guys. Bibili kami ng cake for my sister. Last day in Philippines. We have karaoke again. Adam don't want to go home.
The nights are long. Put some music on the song that's wrong. Baby, we got some ways to go. All little closer.
Ano mga flavor yan, te? Same lang? Ah, isasawsaw mo lang. Umorder kami ng Jollibee. Ay, cake! Kain ng cake! That's cake! Yeah. Stop singing. pala eh.
Kaya pala yung
I need it, hold me warm. It's such a busy old soul. Calls me to stay the spotlight again. Spotlight again.
Hindi talaga.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Mag-ingat ka, hindi ba yan nakakaano? Ah! Failed! Failed! Hindi ba yan nakakaano?
Ay, wait na talaga. Ay, wait na.
Ayaw? Hindi ba yan sasabog? Hindi yan sasabog, girl? Sorry, Jeff?
Oo nga. Ayaw eh.
Fail! Hindi ba yan nakakaano? Hindi yan delikado?
Ayaw?
Ikaw, Jomel!
Ayaw eh. Dapat sa picture.
Ay! Ganun lang yun? Sabay, more! Nakakot!
Should be fun.
Last! Ay! Ay! Lubog mo na daw!
Yung last sa pincel ah.
Ay!
Pincel yan.
Oh, inaumana! Adam will try. Try lang. Oh, I love it!
Beautiful. That's all.
Masarap? Oh.